Hi Kipsters! Today we're going to be making connections between two texts. I'm going to be reading the introduction to you, and after I'm done reading the introduction to you, I'm going to have you answer your questions on the slide on your PowerPoint. So listen to me as I read the introduction. In this lesson, you will learn about making connections in text. When you connect texts, you find how they are related. You compare and contrast the text to see how they are alike and how they are different. Remember, compare means alike, contrast means different. You can connect text in many ways. One way is by the theme or the message. The theme of make-believe story might be to practice makes perfect. A nonfiction article could have the same theme. You can connect some texts through their main ideas. Two texts might have the same main idea, but not the same conclusion. Two texts might be about different sides of an issue or a problem. Think about how two texts are related. Compare and contrast them. Look for details that show how they are alike and different. The questions in the chart below will help you make connections between two texts. So, when I finish reading a text, I have to ask myself two things, or a couple of things. The first thing I ask myself is, what did I read? What is the gist? What is the author's purpose of both of these texts? And when I figure out the gist and the author's purpose, I ask myself, what does it remind me of? How is it the same? How is it different? So, my gists are going to be different, but my author's purpose could possibly be the same or different. The themes could be the same or different. The main ideas could be the same or different. Maybe the problem is the same or different. I don't know. It's whatever you read. So when you're reading, you want to ask yourself you have to want to ask yourself, what did I read? What was the purpose? What was the gist? Was it a first-hand account? Was it a second-hand account? Remember, a first-hand account is when the person was actually there in the story and they're explaining their own personal experience. A second-hand account is when someone is writing about something that happened in the past. Okay? So, remember, those are things that you can find that are similar and different as well. So, what I want you to do now is I want you to go to your PowerPoint right here, and it says, what does it mean to compare and contrast? So I want you to tell me, what does compare mean? What does contrast mean? It says, what are the ways the text can connect with one another? I literally just told you some ways are the theme, the main idea, the first-hand account, second-hand account, author's purpose. Those are some things that way they connect. And then what are questions you ask yourself to help you make that connection? I can give you a big hint, and it's right here. These are the questions. What questions do you ask yourself to find out how they connect? All right, Kipsters, y'all can do this. Bye.